Hi everyone, welcome SAS Programming in 90 days. So we continue with the SAS VIYA session. Today is day 24. Okay, so in the last session we have done the text analytics. So we are going more explore the text analysis because this is a important in the SAS VIYA. Okay, SAS Visual Analytics. In the last session we have done some analysis related to the data. Okay, now we have some customers data, and then we can done some related to complaints. We done some analysis. Now we are going create one new project. Okay, so I'm creating a new project as a text analysis project 3. Okay, so and I have one data because I have one data related to the customer complaints. So this is the credit card related data. Okay, this is a sample data. Okay, we have some customer complaint. They written this some customer complaint here. Okay, and then we have here we have the profile. In the profile we can see here complaint ID is a unique one, and the other things unique, null, blank, pattern count. Okay, so and mean, median, everything is here. Okay, let's go. I selected my data, then I'm clicking here to save. Okay, so my new project 3 will be created. Okay, so whenever we are creating a project, because I selected the template, that's the reason it will be create a pipeline by default. Okay, according to the template. Okay, we didn't need to create it, but whenever we are selecting data, first of all we need to give here some mandatory variable. Okay, let's suppose I have to give here text variable. So text variable I selected the consumer complaint narrative because consumer something write it here. So I want to analyze that narrative, that complaint of the customer. Okay, so they write it about the all the summary here in the customer complaint narrative. Okay, so I want to analysis on that particular one. Now you can see here the complaints data. It's all about the data. 19 columns are there, rows are 99,000. Okay, labels not available, and the location. Okay, this is the location. Now I given the text and the key. By default they will be create the unique ID. Okay, now I'm giving the product as a category. I want these as by category, by product. Okay, because this is related to complaints related to my product. Okay, so I given category as a product. Now I'm coming here in the pipeline. Now you can see here according to the template they will be created the automatically pipeline. Now I click on the run because this is all the nodes created by according to the template. Okay, so if you not select any template, so you have to create your pipeline with your own. Okay, but I selected the template, so automatically they will be creating one pipeline. Okay, now you can see here in the left hand side we have one tab here. This is related to the nodes. This is all my nodes. In the that nodes are available in these four tabs. Natural language processing, first is NLP. Okay, NLP will be check the exact specific information about the text. Okay, in the NLP we have two things, concepts and the text parsing. Concepts is related to extract. Okay, related to extract a specific information. Okay, so because NLP, natural language processing will be help us to check the what the customer write it. So in that particular one we are checking the particular concepts. Okay, particular information that NLP will be help us to identify. Okay, concept. Then text parsing. Text parsing is related to the prepare a text from term analysis. Okay, so they will be find out the particular terms and they will be prepare that text parsing. Next we have feature extractions. In the feature extractions, this is the topics. topics document to top assign the documents to topics. Okay, so we have particular topics that will be assigned to particular documents. Okay, then we have text modeling. In the text modeling we have this some categories of that particular ones, so that will be see. Then we have miscellaneous. In the miscellaneous we have the sentiment, so you can create your sentiment according to you. Okay, so we can also import our sentiment if you created someone. Okay, let's suppose what is a negative sentiment, what is a positive, what is a neutral. Okay, by default SAS VIYA have the intelligence to create that sentiment. They will be create by on. Okay, but if you have, you can customize, you can import it here. Okay, so it will be take a time. Okay, okay, my pipeline has been completed. Okay, so now you can see here this successfully run. Okay, so now you first we are going in the first node, we have the concepts. In the concepts I'm going into the open these first. Okay, now I opened my concepts in here. Okay, now you can see here predefined concepts are 0 because it's related not available, and the customer concept sorry custom concepts are 0. So if you want to create a new concept, so you can create it with the this feature. Okay, so in the coming session we will more going deep into the how we can create the new concepts here. Okay, so let's back to the here in my pipeline. Okay, now I'm going into the results. Now you can see here we have also results here. In the results now you can see here this is showing the in the this showing the some code. Okay, this code is related to the about the concepts what they applied. Okay, now I'm coming back. Next is text parsing is related to the NLP, and let's first is let's see the how they will be identify some text. Okay, so now you can see here the keep terms are used here. Okay, that terms are used here, that is 24933 they found it. Okay, so that's why automatically they found it these all the terms, and some terms are dropped. Okay, so that is dropped by this as via, and maybe that is not useful as per the intelligence of the pipeline. Okay, and this as via. Okay, so if you want to add here in the cap terms, so you can move it. Okay, so this is okay. So this is we need to select the terms, and we need to click here keep terms. Okay, so keep terms will be keep it here. Okay, and if you want to drop something, so you need to select this, and you can drop it from the here. Okay, also we can see here we have some show similarity scores. Okay, so I click on this one. This is the show similarity scores. Okay, scores we will speak, and next we have the here this is the network. Okay, so let's suppose these terms is related to with this one. Okay, term map. Okay, this is the term map number ftc collect o. Okay, reference. Okay, so this is related to the this one, so they will be create the one map here. Acha. Okay, so we have right now this is related to the similarity. They will be show the similarity here, role, documents, and the frequency. So how many times these terms are used. Okay, this is the dropped. Okay, so let's back to the analysis. Now we have the sentiment. Sentiment is basically it's related to the project. Okay, so they will be show the negative, neutral, or the all the things. Okay, okay, now we are going into the topics. In the topics now I'm going to open this first. Okay, so in the topics they will be show the particular keyword. Let's suppose we have some keywords that account, note, open, remove, report, credit, report. Okay, so now we can see here we have some topics here: report, credit report, item, credit, delete, call, tell, number, say, blank, information. Okay, so this is showing everything here, topics, okay, created by system, and the document they will be shows. Okay, now next we have terms. Okay, we have different terms here. We have account, accounts. Okay, so this is the all the topics are here. Okay, next we are going into the categories. Okay, now first I'm opening my categories here. Okay, now you can see here this is the category of the product. Okay, the bank account services. Okay, so let's suppose I click on the particular one, bank account services, and now I click on the match one. Okay, so they will be find out the all the match related to this where the bank account or services are mentioned. Let's suppose I click on the checking on services account. Now you can see here this is the or and the and. If overdraft fee is okay, deposit, okay, that is available, they will be find out, they will be search or the all the match. Okay, now you can see here this is the all the match here. Okay, so we can find out related to the product, we can find out the particular match keywords here. Okay, next I'm coming back. Okay, next let's see the output of the results of this. Okay, now I click on the result. Now we can see here the results here. Okay, now we can see here the documents category. Okay, now we have the diagnostic counts of automatically generated categories. Okay, this is all the categories here. Okay, and we have one more tab, it's output data. So in the output data we have the transactional output. Okay, so this is the data that we are using for let's suppose I created some analysis in the text analysis. Now analysis is done, now I want to use that particular data. So from this particular tab we can use that data. Okay, now you can see here my data is created, unique ID, customer complaint narrative is here, I have received reviewed my credit report. Okay, category name is here, keywords are here, score. Now if the maximum score they will be what is the maximum score, they will be show the maximum we are using that the maximum one. Okay, next we have the category level one. Okay, this is all about the product. Okay, because a product is my category. Okay, now you can see here category 2 level is credit reporting, credit repair, services or other, date received. Okay, then we have the product, then product, and this is all the about my data variables are here, and this is only the two categories are here, product and the that particular topic, debit collection will be related to the credit reporting and credit repair and the services. Okay, now if I want to save this data, so you can save this data and you can create your visualization with this. And also if you want to create direct visualization, then you need to click here explore and visualize. Then you can create your visualization. Then next we have the modeling ready. Okay, so modeling is ready is some transpose of your transactional data. Okay, because we have some transactional data now. I'm transpose my data with the modeling data. Okay, something related to transpose. Okay, so we have the customer complaint here. Next we have the product bank account services. Okay, wherever my product bank complaints will be there, they will be show the one. Let's suppose here in this the product get credit, they will be show the one, that means they will be fall in that particular ones. Now this data is more according to the my category. Okay, next then we have some my variables that is available here. Okay, so this is about the modeling ready. Okay, this is something transpose your transpose data. Same, you can save this data or you can create the visualization on that particular data. Okay, let's coming back. Okay, so this is all about the text analysis. So in the more coming sessions, we will going more deep how to create the concepts, how to customize and create new concepts there. Okay, thank you.